Why is Coca-Cola's formula kept secret? The recipe is one of the most guarded secrets in business history. Discover why this mystery fuels both the brand's power and its global success. The Coca-Cola formula was developed by John Stith Pemberton in 1886. From the start, the company realized that keeping the recipe secret would protect their unique product. Back then, formulas were often copied easily. To maintain an edge, Coca-Cola chose secrecy as a powerful business strategy. This early decision set the foundation for the brand's mystique and market dominance. Coca-Cola's formula is more than just a recipe, it's a symbol of the brand itself. The mystery adds to its allure, making the drink feel exclusive and special. If the formula were public, competitors could replicate it, eroding Coca-Cola's unique position. Keeping it secret helps maintain consumer loyalty and the perception that no other soda can match its flavor. The Coca-Cola formula is protected like a national treasure. It is locked in a vault in Atlanta, accessible only to a handful of trusted executives. The company uses non-disclosure agreements and legal patents to prevent leaks. This intense security ensures that the recipe remains a secret even after more than a century. Such measures are rare in the food and beverage industry. Keeping the formula secret is also a brilliant marketing tactic. It sparks curiosity and speculation, which keeps the brand in the public eye. People love a good mystery, and Coca-Cola's secret recipe has become part of its story and appeal. This intrigue helps the company stay relevant in a crowded market and gives fans an additional reason to stay loyal. The secret Coca-Cola formula is more than a recipe. It's a carefully guarded symbol of brand power, legal strategy, and marketing genius. This mystery keeps the iconic drink unique and beloved worldwide. If you enjoyed uncovering this secret, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.